pen, or chicken house, or condo, whatever you want to call it. So I was going to bring you out, show you we got the baby chicks in the house. Tonka's already over here checking on them. Let's see. We still have more work to do on the inside. We have to do the nest, the roost and everything. But there they are. They're in here. They're all happy with all this room running around. They're like, yay, freedom. And then maybe tonight, I only have like 5 big hens that I need to catch tonight when they go into roost. So that way they can live in the chicken condo. But it's a pretty good sized little building for our peeps. So I wanted to share this with you. Hope y'all like the baby peeps. They're enjoying all this extra room that we have. Thanks to Stacy and Jennifer, we got it finished. And beforehand, Kristen and Matt came and helped us put 10 up on the side. So it was a family affair getting the chicken house made. I think it's a good deal. Okay, everybody, y'all take care. I'll be back with another video. Bye now.